fucking stoked, baby.
Finally buddy boating out here.
Yeah. It's a whole different feeling, man. Sick. Is this on? Doesn't get any better than this either. 15 miles per hour. Or knots, 15 knots right now.
What's that in miles per hour?
I think it's 3 off, 3 up. Slow down. Circle, do a circle, stay on it. And then remember, you always hit start and it's gonna give you the, go ahead and slower, yeah. Just circle, that way you stay in the middle of the reef.
Got you.
See how it is? And then you hit start and that gives you your line that it's gonna draw. Hand me that that one right there. Yeah, let's go with that shit. Oh, mother sucker. Who's gonna get it on the first drop? Using that fishing syndicate pocket fishing rod / dinghy rod. Can't get any better than this. The action on it with a Akuma 2-speed metalloid. Brad's got the Akuma, what's that one? The
Real eel.
no, the Akuma, I'm already on. Already on. Oh, baby. The bite is real. $20, biggest fish? Okay.
That's my first time out. You guys are screwed.
You got to pay 50.
To get in the pot?
Yeah, it's your first time.
I'm on.
First fish, $5.
Vince, how are my scuppers sitting right now?
Above the water?
They are?
Yeah, they're above the water. Brad's on the Akuma. Nice brown. I think I just lost my whole lure. It's pretty awesome. Gonna need you to hand me the other rod after you spike my leg. That sucks. Go with the other syndicate rod now real quick because it's already set up. I got you. I brought 2 pliers too this time.
See that?
That sucks. You guys catch anything yet? Oh.
You know what? I don't know what happened, but something happened and all of a sudden that 30 horsepower just
Kicked in?
Gear. Now it's live. They had a basin lock.
Probably got past that fuel that in the beginning. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Oh, that's a head shaker.
That's what she said. Good one. Oh, good brown. Keep it low, keep it low, keep it low. Oh wait, it doesn't. Yeah, they love white out here, man. Nice fish. Syndicate Akuma set up again. Let me see those pliers. It's all right, I'm used to getting impaled by a rod.
I did a Steve. Reeled it up too far. I Steved. Different Steve though.
Martinez.
Martinez. You catch anything yet? 70.
70, really? Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Is that what it says right
Yep.
there? Okay. I'm gonna keep these over here. You keep those over there.
Some blues, I think, in the middle because I keep getting tap on the
Hey, are you seeing any blues on your screen? Any schools?